I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
The month of the slaves. Only time blacks can get praise, we call it February. Time of the year where there's a reduction of niggas in the obituary. For only 28 days of acknowledgement, maybe 29 if we're lucky, while the rest of the year is spent on the burning of hollow tips. So no more opposites. Brothers and sisters, let's all join hands and fit as much love into this 1 month we can. But then, when it comes March, best believe I'ma forget that March, and perhaps just tippy-toe, for everything my ancestors done, been belittled. So don't correct your decisions, give in to the system, we're the most important component. We're actually meant to help the opponent, cause in here, we're the processor, do all the calculations, a nigga times another nigga, equal one nigga, easy multiplication. But don't forget the HIV in brackets. We're meant to be in this cold weather without jackets. Or should I say condom? You think Africa was given AIDS by random? Now nigga minus a nigga, we got a subtraction. Violence towards our own people became a big attraction. Killer be killed became an adaption. For no matter how many niggas you hurt, there's never enough satisfaction. And last but not least is the fractions. How we divide. Organize how our drugs will be supplied, cause if we don't dig a hole deep enough we can't come out. It'll give the sun a chance for next generations to sprout. And you may be wondering about whatever happened to addition, but I'm sorry, barely any positives in this commission, cause in ponds where we go fishing, for this case of the black addiction, even Tom Cruise couldn't pass this mission.
But don't think that I'm quitting, for I have a vision. By positive collision, we can save our people, have them risen. Open your ears and listen. We just got to be willing to open hands, always be given. Fathers stay with the children, mothers have supervision. Boys and girls, no early coalitions. Crime stop convicting, problems stop conflicting. Drugs stop committing, and peace stop constricting. For life we are restricting. True happiness we're dismissing. Point of life like Shaq free throws. We are missing. So look to my vision. You need to make a decision. Will you continue to let your heart beat? Or be truly living?